Excuse my voice. Okay, so I'm getting ready to prepare some chocolate chip muffins. And I've just been being lazy. I'm gonna admit it, guys. I buy Rizzy the little mini muffins for school. But I just decided, okay, Camille, stop buying the muffins. Stop spending all that money and do homemade. So my goal is to stick with making more of my homemade stuff as far as snacks for the girls for at school or at home or ourselves versus buying a lot of processed stuff. So that's one way you can save, is by making things yourself. And I'm going to be doing more of the yeah, I feel like I got a sore throat or a cold or something, and I know I told y'all this before, but I'm going to be making more stuff that I know will save money versus buying processed stuff that goes faster, that allows me to spend more money. So this is one thing I do want to do, is do these for her, because she loves taking the little mini muffins, and I pay about $3 for a box that only gives her 4 packs. I think it's 4 packs of muffins. It's not worth it. When the ingredients I will use out of all this will be less than, if you measure it out and divide it, will be less than $1, $2. I'll say at the top's $2, but guess what? It's going to be way more muffins than it would be me purchasing the box from Sam's or Aldi. So that's one way to stay frugal and to give your kids only what you know that they're eating, not nothing processed, because we have been sticklers for eating a lot of processed snacks, Nutter bars, and all those different things. And I just need to switch it up. I'm so sorry my voice is like this, but this is when I'm cooking it, so I didn't want to not share it. If you don't see this like this, it will probably be a voiceover, because I don't want it to be too irritating to anyone. But anyways, if you've been following me, you know it's all in love, and I love to share how to become frugal and save money in so many areas of your life. So this is one of them. This is just a way of creating stuff, and I will be doing more meals that I prep, like breakfast sandwiches, homemade pasta, raviolis and stuff, instead of buying the processed one, because you guys know I like to use those as well. And I said, we need to make more of our own stuff to save money. So me being the frugal queen and teaching you how to be frugal and still live a priceless life frugally, this is definitely one of them. We have to eat no matter what. You know what I mean? You can't take that out of your life. So if that's the case, let's show you how to be frugal when snacking and having your meals. So hope you guys enjoyed this. Love you guys, and I will talk to you later. And if you're interested in this recipe, please let me know, and I will share in the future. Later, Gators.